Hey guys, little saw turned out, looks pretty good. I'm kind of disappointed. I ordered a loop of supposed to have been 50 gauge skip tooth chain from Hulls Forma. It ended up being 58 gauge would not work, but that little 24, 25 lightweight, that thing balances out perfect on that saw. And I don't know if you can notice it has the West Coast saws 3-point spikes. Those were donated by Robert. We done a saw for him a while back, but he had sent those with it and donated those to us. So I'd actually forgot I had them, so I put them on that saw. But um, she's breaking in, but she's running pretty sporty. That's a loop of it's Husqvarna. It is a X cut chain. It's full comp, but it is semi chisel. I know it is labeled an X cut chain. Um, it is a anti kickback. It's got the double drags on it. I'm not really a fan of it, but for what I'll be doing with that saw, I think it'll work good. I don't have a real hungry grind on it, and this piece of wood's been cut on to death, so um, we'll just noodle on it a little bit, kind of give you guys an idea of how she pulls. But for what it is, it's pulling pretty good. Um, Won't know a whole lot more about it till I get some different wood to cut on. Not too bad. Of course, I had something a little different.